While the ViewBag property is a convenient way to pass data around, its dynamic nature often leaves a lot to be desired. So, in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative to the dynamic ViewBag approach for passing data from a controller to a view, which is to pass a strongly typed model into your view instead. In order to create a strongly typed view, we first need to create a type that we can use as our model. Before we do that, let's create a models folder in the root of the application to hold all of our model classes in. It's important to note that, like the controller classes, it really doesn't matter to MVC where your model classes live. You'll often see this models folder as a practical convention, but these models can live anywhere, even in another project. In fact, that's usually a pretty good idea. Anyway, regardless of where it lives, let's create a brand new class. Just a simple type named post, with a couple of properties in it: title, posted, author, body, etc. Once we have this, we can refactor our ViewBag property setting approach and instead set those same property values on an instance of this new post class. Then we can pass this instance right to the view as a parameter to the view method that we're calling at the end of the controller action. With all that in place, we can jump to the view so we can start consuming this model. The first thing we're going to do is tell Razor that the type of the model is the post type. We can do this by adding the following line to the beginning of our file. Then we can replace all of those existing references to ViewBag with references to the strongly typed model, which we can access through the model property. And look, as we do this, we've got complete IntelliSense. When we're done, we'll go ahead and refresh the page to make sure that it all worked. Once again, we're greeted with the same exact view as before because we didn't actually change any of the output. We just improved the way that we are passing data from the controller to the view.